For this module, your action item is to write 2 paragraphs, an action plan for when exactly you'll watch each video, and a commitment paragraph. In your action plan, I want you to list specific dates and weekly goals for how many videos you plan to get through. Next, I want you to alter your environment and tell the people around you so that you can commit to this change. Print your action plan out, yes, in real life, and put it somewhere you'll see frequently. Your monitor, the kitchen fridge, your bathroom mirror. Habit psychology says this greatly improves your odds of following through. After that, tell your mom, dad, friend, sibling, dog, cat, fish, pet rock that you're committing to this program and tell them to respect your time just like they would for any other important task or homework. Here's the thing, right? A lot of the time, people don't finish what they start because they don't have the proper implementation intention. They say the 5 words of death for any new commitment. Oh, sure, I'll finish it when I get the chance. Thing is, life will never give you that chance. You have to make that chance. Things come up. YouTube video, your mom needing help with the chores, bio exam tomorrow that you need to spend an extra 15 minutes cramming for. Ask yourself this, right? How can you be sure that when something comes up and threatens to derail your progress, you'll still maintain course with full speed ahead? It all starts with the specifics. Write it down in your action plan. For example, right? Like let's say you have a little bit of free time, 20 minutes between getting home from soccer practice and dinner. Make it a commitment to study this course. Tell yourself and those close around you that those 20 minutes are holy. They are blocked out. They are reserved for finishing 2, 3, or maybe even 20 minutes worth of videos. Set a daily reminder on your phone during that car ride home from school. Tell your parents to scold you if you're not at your desk at 6:45 p.m. watching these videos. Get your environment to help you in learning these new skills. From what we've experienced with our own students, consistency rather than volume always wins the battle. The ones who watch a little bit on a consistent basis, whether that's per week, every 2 or 3 days, or even every day, those students significantly outperform the other students who try to cram everything at the last second. No surprise. After you commit to a few minutes each day, you're amped up, you've told yourself this is gonna happen. Next, we have to consider the following questions. What day do you wanna be done with this course, right? When do you wanna execute your first project? Will this course be something that you bliss through in 1 month, something that you slowly chomp through over the course of the summer, or something that gets stuck on the back burner and never leaves? Another dream that dies. I know you're wondering what writing a paragraph is going to do to help the issues you're having with friends, the overwhelming chaos in your life, the not so great grades, the college stress. I know you might believe that these are just empty words that aren't going to turn your life around. But that, my friend, is simply not true. Jeff and I use this technique all the time. We do it to get things done in our own lives and as a team in the company. That voice that's talking, that tells you this activity doesn't matter, that's your ego speaking. That's your comfort zone creeping back in. But I want you to ignore that voice and to examine your own reasons for why you're in this course in the first place. Are you here because your parents signed you up or because you actually want to grow as a human being? Seriously, what brought you here? Why do you want to execute your first initiative? What are you hoping to gain from this experience? Again, be as specific as possible. This will be the second thing you write. Your commitment paragraph. Some of you might find that the commitment paragraph is actually more challenging to write than the action plan. It's going to require you to dig deeply into the true reason why you're watching this video. Because I'll be honest, this video and this content, it's not for everyone. It's for students seeking transformation and challenges. Students who want to make more pie. Students who want to grow. And if you come in for the wrong reasons, there's a strong chance you won't finish. Then again, if you come in with the right reasons, the right intention, then for you, my friend, sky's the limit.